Hi there. The Telegraph and T2 are in San Francisco for Samsung's first Galaxy Unpacked of the year. Like in other years, there are three new phones to choose from. There is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, which has all the big features, all the bells and whistles you're looking for in a phone. The second, Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and then there is the Samsung Galaxy S26. Besides that, there is the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 series. But the two features everyone is talking about are privacy display and agentic AI. Privacy display is coming only to Galaxy S26 Ultra, while agentic AI is coming to all Samsung Galaxy S26 phones. So, what's so special about them? What's special on the camera front? Let's find out.
The Galaxy AI ISP, it's going to clear my skin. It's going to help and blur out my under eye circles, which is really important for the editing. And then we also do the Galaxy AI, and then we're going to do create, and then I'm going to do describe. I'm just going to speak it because it's easier. Change background to San Francisco skyline. Nighttime. Generate. And unlike before, it was only be able to done in the nighttime. Now you can do it in any type of portrait, regular, and that's what's really awesome. And so now we have the nighttime. And what's cool is that I can actually keep editing, and then we can go over here with the style, and I can actually choose a different style that I want. So let's say I want to do anime, and then I can generate. And that was cool because with just the natural language, as I prefer to speak as opposed to text, and with the relationship that you're going to build with Galaxy AI, you use your natural language as the prompts, so it gets closer and closer, right? And then you can keep changing it, and what's nice is you can keep editing it, or you can save the copy. And then it's always going to have the watermark right there to know that it is a generation of AI. So now we're going to do the same process. Galaxy AI, create, make cake whole, generate. So what's nice with generative editing is that there has been so many times where we've been in situations where we get photos and things are already taken out. Like, for example, this cake that someone's already eaten and you want to make it whole so you can send it. So like, for example, wedding photos, birthday photos, birthday cakes and everything people have eaten too quickly ahead of time. So that's exactly. And what's cool is you can still keep editing. And so this is just to come and sub into the examples that you can utilize the Creative Studio. And so let's go, okay? So here it is. So this is what you can create in here. So instead of having multiple different like platforms, it's all in one design, one ecosystem here. Wallpaper, profile, card, greeting card, create invitation. So let's actually create a sticker. And then what's cool is you can utilize the catalog we have, go back to our cake that we took a photo of, and then this is the sticker set. So what's awesome is that you can go a step further and generate a sticker set where you can give it specific things. So obviously for the example, I used a photo that we took, but you can also make it themes like the daily grind, school days. So let's say special occasions, and then we generate. And the sticker set that it's going to generate, you can download to your keyboard, use that to your keyboard, and it can be functioning over cross platforms like WhatsApp with those. I know people were asking WhatsApp. And what's cool about creating these sticker set is that instead of doing multiple images, you create one image multiple times in different seasons. And that's for some people who just get overwhelmed with art, they can just do one image and don't have to worry about going back. So for example, you have Christmas, and even though it's just a cake, they were still able to do seasonal things. And so if this artist was like, nope, that's as best I want to do, they can literally go take this, send it over to their mom and for Christmas, and then that's just what it's going to do. You can save the sticker set and it is going to be downloaded to your keyboard. And then from here you can also print as well. And so that's what's fascinating about this Creative Studio, is that you can utilize this system into other third-party products as well as printing out stickers. But even though it says like sticker sticker, an imitation, you can utilize this as best as you want in your own ecosystem and workflow. Like, for example, I was speaking to someone earlier, this profile card, you could arguably be working on a production company for an animation and create unique characters utilizing the profile card and printing out. You can also create logos in here. So it's really whatever you want to utilize it for to your specifics. Even though it seems more niche, it's the sky's the limit, especially with like the invitation. You can create it whatever you want, postcards, it's mock-ups, and so it's pretty much anything that you really want to design in here.
So here you're going to see two quick, easy examples of how Galaxy AI intercepts you and helps you take action. So what I was saying is we're here in San Francisco. Maybe a friend wants to, who lives out here, wants to go out and grab a drink. So if we go into our messages and we have this message of Lila, we are going to open this up. You'll see once you click reply, it automatically starts. That's why I had to go back out. So she's asking about the 27th. As soon as I click this, I get my little stars, and now Nudge will pop up. And this is a new feature to the Galaxy S26 series. So what you're seeing is it's telling me from my calendar that I have a conflict. 27th isn't going to work for us, but it's also giving me the option to view my calendar.
Okay.
And so I can go right from here, and I can see that the 26th we're free, so maybe I'll propose a new time, right?
Okay.
You can set, full calendar functionality from here, so you can set an invite. But if you are going out, you need a place to go. So that's where Finder will come in. The Finder sits right here on top of your dock.
Okay.
And if you click it, you get this new AI-powered search. Okay. This is exclusive Samsung search feature. It is on Galaxy S26 series, and it uses natural language. So if I start to type in, even without finishing, restaurants, it's going to pull in context from my different apps and services. So it's giving me a specific note here, and I can click right into that and get right into my notes. Okay. So again, this is quick. It's simple. It's not the flashiest, but you can imagine how much time that would save you just speeding things up over time.
So this feature would now nudge. Let's say your friend is texting you. They want a photo from your trip you took 1 year ago. And just like that, now nudge helps you share the photos. You just click this, and it already takes you to the select mode. All you have to do, you just share pictures, and you click done. And just like that, you can save the pictures to your friend. So this is now nudge feature.
Scan. Let's add a scan to that. Get the second page. Capture that. Let it work its magic. Let me crop this little corner out. Done. Go to next. You can save it as one PDF, so you can get multiple pages in one document, and then just hit that view, and it'll take you right to where you have it saved. I could have cropped that one. Should have. But it's super handy. It still kind of, has like the automatic adjustments to it so that it can get these wrinkles out, fill in that folder.